today. I apologize for the video I recorded yesterday being so windy. I tried a new mic setup, did not work. I was pretty disappointed. So I made the video. I cut out a pretty good chunk of it because of the wind noise. It was just too annoying to me. So I cut out a lot of what I said because I didn't want you guys to have to listen to that. And I looked up videos on how to make a better setup for motovlogs. So I went out and I bought what the guy said. I did it exactly step by step. His sounds pretty good in his videos, so I'm hoping this sounds really good for you guys. Otherwise I'll be pretty upset, but it looks like professional. It looks like a legit mic now. I just hope it works like one. I hope you're not hearing wind the entire time. It sounded good when I was going slow or stopped, but like as soon as I hit highway speed, it was bad. Speaking of speed, I wish this person would. There we go. But yeah, I'm testing out the new mic now. Hopefully this is a lot better. But I was just at my apartment and accidentally started feeling emotions, so had to get out here and take care of that. Don't want to have, I think they're called feelings. I did change the rectifier. I finally got that done. I changed it today. It was a slight pain because it's under the gas tank. And it's not like you can just lift the gas tank and get it. It's literally right under here. So you had to lift up the tank and like reach down in there. And that's small when you have bigger hands. It's difficult to get your fingers in there, but I managed to do it and I switched it out. And it already seems to be making a difference because as soon as I switched it out, I turned the bike on to kind of test it to like make sure I didn't screw anything up, and it turned over like immediately. So normally that doesn't happen unless I've already rode around for the day, so that was a good sign. And so far, I know it's pretty soon to be saying it, but so far my butt is not heating up, like the seat isn't. So that's the main reason I changed it. It's because I was hoping to fix that problem. So far, it seems to have worked. Which is also weird to me because the rectifier, the old one that was already on, it didn't look bad at all. Like, it looked perfectly normal in my opinion. But like I said, I've already noticed a difference in the bike. So I'm not sure. Maybe it was a little shot. Just can't really tell, but if that was the problem and my battery's going to stop being overcharged and heating up my seat and everything, then I'll be happy. I forgot I had a specific video in mind for today. Well, actually, what I was planning on doing is making a video like this where it's just kind of whatever happens type video, and I was going to use that to test the mic to make sure it works and sounds good for you guys. Then as long as everything's okay with the mic this time, then I could go make the... Ooh, that's also new. Okay. Usually when I hit my right turn signal, it's delayed. It takes a couple seconds for it to kick on. Now it does it immediately. So I'm not sure if that was also part of the rectifier like issue, but it seems like it. Anyways, yeah, if the mic sounds good and stuff, then I have a specific video planned that I'm pretty excited about. So I'll probably end up doing that right after this one. I'll do a 2-video day. But yesterday I timed, after I like talked about how long it takes in the video and stuff to make them now, I timed it, and from the time I started editing until the video was uploaded on YouTube was it was actually a full 7 hours. No, correction, 5 hours. It took 5 hours from the time I started editing until the video's up on YouTube, because uploading in high quality takes that much longer, which is crazy to me. I'm gonna head onto the roads that were like non-existent. Last time I went went this way, which was over a month ago. So hopefully they're finished by now. But this is Pennsylvania, so I wouldn't be surprised if they aren't. Got in my own head there because I remembered how bad my tires are and I started freaking myself out. That was stupid of me. Doesn't look good. It just says no pavement markings. Well, is there at least pavement there? Like, this better not be all the loose gravel and stuff still. Oh no. Okay, so it seems like they have made very little progress. Nope, I'm not doing this. I'm turning around. I'm turning around now before I keep going and it gets worse. My seat is not nearly as high as it normally would be by now, so definitely fix that problem. Oh, there's a bike. What was it? There's a Charger. I mean, Challenger. I want to see the bike. Go, go, go. Oh, now I'm not going to catch up to it because the guy in front of me wants to go extremely slow. No, this light's not going to pick me up, is it? Oh. Anna to go riding with me today, but she wasn't very interested. So it'd be nice to find another person. There's another bike in front of me now, but it looks like a Harley, so. Oh no, he is in front of him. And they're turning. Sorry, I don't know why I'm giving like a play-by-play. Oh, there's another one. I kind of want to go around the cars just to go up to them, but then everyone will be like, oh, this is what we hate bikers. Even though I'm harming nobody. What is that? Oh, that's also an R6. I'm gonna go this way, even though I wasn't planning on. Is that an R6? I don't know. It's an older bike. But maybe something will happen that we end up riding together. I don't know. He's looking. Is that like a, why is this dude following me? Get away look? Or is that a, oh, there's another biker. Maybe he can catch up. What was that? He just held something above his hand, his head. I mean, I don't know what symbol that was what that was supposed to mean. I can't talk right now. Could you stay on the road? I'm gonna wrap this one up here, just in case I do end up meeting up with, like, linking up with this guy and riding with him, because then if I keep those two videos in one, it's just going to end up being really long. So if I do end up riding with this guy, that'll be its own separate video probably. So I'm going to wrap this one up here. If not, I'll make it the other video I was planning on doing today. But thank you for watching. Hopefully the mic sounds much better. I will find out when I get home. Really hoping so. But again, thank you for watching. Also, thank you for 900 subscribers. We hit that today, so thank you very much for that. And he's going a different way. Never mind. But still, I'm gonna get not rear-ended. They stopped. Thank you.